Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add songs from your device to your Spotify library in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. Then we tap on settings and privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on apps and devices. And here if you scroll down again, under other devices we find local audio files. If we turn this on, it will add our local audio files to our Spotify library. So if we have an album by Metallica downloaded to our device, the app is going to recognize it, that okay, this is the Black Album by Metallica, and the app is going to add it to our library, and then we are going to be able to listen to it through Spotify as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.